So far, so good.
It sounds like some potato chips.
Although probably roast me, let's be honest. Howdy folks. It's literally the next day from the video I uploaded a few days ago. It's literally the next day. I spent all night editing that and I barely even edited it. Anyways, I'm out of breath. I just ran up the stairs. I made the gel. Yeah! It's nice and viscous, but it's gonna be really cold. So this gel, depending on how well it turns out, because my grandparents are coming, so I gotta hurry up and wash my hair within the hour and be dressed. Although probably roast me, let's be honest. They're savages. Anyways, I had to put this gel in my hair. I'm gonna do the same process. I'm going to use the leave-in by Kinky Curly, not today, in conjunction with the gel, just like I would with this gel. And we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna be getting in the shower. I'll show you the process. But yeah, let's go, because I gotta really actually have to go. Okay, let's go.
Hello, welcome to my shower once more. Okay, so I'm just, detangling my hair. It's actually already pretty detangled, and that's because I only washed my hair like 3 or 4 days ago. And that's because I was too impatient to wait to try the new gel, because I was just so excited. So, I want to try something new. So I'm just shampooing my roots, making sure it's nice and clean. There's nothing worse than coming out of the shower with a dirty scalp. So just making sure my scalp is nice and clean. And really just get in there, make sure that I cover every orifice of my head, and, get into it. So after I just, rinse out my shampoo, I have a little bit in the back, but, I got it off camera. And I'm just adding my shampoo. That's about how much shampoo I put in, well, conditioner I mean. And when I say a quarter size, that's what I mean when I say a quarter size. So I just rake that through, make sure my hair is nice and detangled, and absorbing all that water to moisturize it, because we're using water to moisturize our hair. That's what we learned from the, detox. Anyways, just putting up my hair and moving on to the other parts off camera. And now I'm done with all the other parts, and I'm putting in the leave-in conditioner by the Kinky Coily line. And I really enjoy it. It has a lot of slip. It does the job. And it makes my hair feel nice and soft. And now I'm moving on to my gel. Guys, I used this entire container of gel, not because I felt like I needed to, but because I just didn't want to put it back in the fridge, because it is not counter safe. It doesn't have any preservatives in it. So yeah, I just was like, let me just use this entire thing, because I don't want it to go moldy. So I'm just raking it all through my hair. Probably added too much, let's be honest, but trial and error, guys. Trial and error. Don't be mad at me for doing dumb stuff, because I'm a little dumb sometimes. Anyways, just putting it all throughout my hair, and it looks nice and detangled and shiny and defined. Yeah.
My grandparents are here, but this is what it's looking like. Sopping wet. I like my sweater. Got it several years ago. But yeah, it's a little bit wet in sections, but did a pretty decent job. It looks frizzier than the Kinky Coily curling custard, but I mean, that was kind of a given. But so far, so good. We'll see how it looks whenever it's actually dry. So yeah.
Oh, y'all, I forgot to say this. Okay, listen to this. It sounds like some potato chips. Crunch and munch in my head. Anyways, I mean, it still is really defined, but if you don't like a little crunchy, it's not as crunchy as Eco Style Gel, but yeah. But when did this happen? Anyways, that's annoying. But yeah, it's a bit crunchy. Sounds like, eating some celery, but
it's still a good deal. Still pretty good. Anyways, that's all I wanted to say. Okay, bye. Hello. This is what my hair looks like. Dry. It is like, I would say 85% dry. There's like, you know, a few parts back of my head that is not dry, but yeah, this is what the results look like. Nice and shrunken. I didn't stretch it out or anything. Yeah. I'm trying to give you a view what my curls are looking like. Really nice. Did a good job. Not as good as the gel, like store-bought kinky coily gel, but it is a good contender if you are trying to save some money and you have access to some flax seeds and some marshmallow root. I would just, you know, buy them, and that will last you for like 2 years probably more, if you store them correctly. So yeah, give that a try if you're unwilling. Really loud motorcycles. If you're like interested in, like, you know, doing a DIY moment, I think it's worth it. It was really simple. I'll also link the recipe that I used. Well, I just kind of eyeballed it. I didn't really use a recipe, but I'll write in the description box a recipe that I made to, well, I'll just, what am I saying? Oh my god. I will put in the description box the recipe that I used. I just kind of like eyeballed it, but I'll give you an approximation of what I did. All right. I didn't even do my closer. What's wrong with me? Anyways, that's all I had to say for today. Thanks for watching, and don't do anything I wouldn't do in that saying a lot. Okay? Anyways, okay, bye.